Iran wants to build missiles non-stop, and Israel says that it may strike again. Tonight, a new storm is forming over the Middle East, a storm made of missiles, threats, and a ceasefire that is hanging by a thread. Hello and welcome to TimesXP. I am Pratyatri, and at the center of that storm, Iran and Israel, of course. Two countries preparing for a fight that could reshape the entire region once again. Iran is not slowing down. It is not waiting, it is not hiding. Tehran has reportedly ordered its missile factories to run day and night, building rockets faster than ever before. Here the goal is something dramatic, something unbelievable. The goal is a giant wave, basically a single overwhelming strike that could hit Israel from every direction all at once. 200 missiles, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we are talking about. This is Iran's new strategy: overload the Israeli defense system so heavily that even Iron Dome, Davis Sling, and Arrow batteries, they cannot keep up. You know why Iran is all of a sudden in such a hurry here? So during a 12-day war, Iran lost a huge portion of its missile stockpile. Several launch bases, the infrastructure needed to fire long-range rockets. Now that loss shocked Tehran. It exposed weaknesses that they never expected. So now, Iran wants to rebuild everything but bigger, faster, more dangerous than ever before. Iran's dream of launching 2,000 missiles, it's not easy. Not even close. Analysts say that Tehran is struggling with damaged air defense systems, dependency on foreign suppliers like Russia and China, lack of underground launch sites, destroyed infrastructure from earlier strikes. So, Iran may want a missile tsunami, but experts say that the plan is not fully credible at all. Tehran simply does not have the capacity to fire so many rockets all at once, not today, but tomorrow. That's the real fear. Well, Israel isn't staying quiet either, not for a moment. In Jerusalem, the warning is sharp, it's clear, it's ruthless. If Iran rebuilds its long-range missiles or its nuclear program, we will strike again. Not may, not might, will. Israel believes that Iran is testing limits, testing their patience, testing the ceasefire, and Israeli officials say that they will hit Iran with full force the moment they see a threat re-emerging. In the meantime, on papers, the guns are silent, but behind closed doors, both the sides, they are rearming, they are rebuilding, they are preparing. This ceasefire is not peace, this ceasefire is a pause, a fragile, shaky, temporary pause that could break any moment from now. Analysts warn that the new confrontation will not look like the previous one. It will be wider, it will be deadlier, and it will be costlier and faster. Because Iran wants volume now, Israel wants accuracy, and both want the last word. In the end, the Middle East is entering a dangerous phase. Iran is racing to mass production of missiles. Israel is preparing to stop them, even preemptively. Two rivals, two red lines, one battle that could ignite again.